Hello everyone, welcome back. In the last lecture, we implemented error handling in the recommend function. And in this lecture, we will implement the print user detail. This function is easy to implement. It will just display the user name and their preferred categories. Let's jump to VS Code and add a function called print user detail, and actually this function it will not return anything, but actually it will be executed on a user, and this is what we call a function receiver. It's a receiver or an argument or an object that the function will be executed against. So I can first print the user name, and I can give, or I can take the user preferred. This loop, we can take the user preferred categories and print them one if after the other, and yeah, and that's it. And then we can use this function here. I can also take this statement let's get rid of this, and here, by the way, we should have a return in case of error, and let's call the print user detail based on the user that we just created, or we already created with the create user. It will be user.print detail. Let's save the file, and actually this one, it will throw an error because this user does not have some movies that match the category, the preferred category. Let's make it comedy instead to have some detail, because we first execute the recommend function, and if the recommend function generates an error, it will return, and we will not execute the print user detail. So let's execute again, and here we go. We have again the user name, the user preferred categories, and the user recommended movies. Now we implemented the function print user detail using a user receiver, and based on this user, we executed the print user detail to print the user detail. That's it for this lecture. Let's take a quick break and let's come back in the next lecture.